Guys, are you a biker and find those long journeys are getting harder and harder on your back, as well as other places? Well, don't worry, as I have something pretty interesting to show you, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I love motorcycles, but you know what? I never relished the thought of taking one on a long journey until now. This is the motorcycle bike seat from Cyclemate, and it's going to bring you a new and comfortable riding experience. Sound interesting? Well, it should be, because this airbag cushioned bike seat is set to revolutionise the comfort of your journeys, particularly those long ones. So how does it work? Well, using air convection technology, it significantly reduces high frequency vibrations that normally cause riding fatigue. And you know what? Being constructed from strong thermoplastic polyurethane and Lycra and a multi-cell design, it evenly distributes airflow to provide much needed ventilation and cooling, while adding an anti-gravity buffer for added comfort and lower back protection. It also comes with its own pump to add air, and it has a secure valve system to ensure that you always have the optimum pressure and comfort. And guys, don't worry about fitting this, because you know what? It can be installed in no time, and given that this uses cross-mounted straps and anti-slip technology, you will be certain of a safe and secure journey at any speed. So guys, if you want to level up your riding experience, get yourself one of these now. You will not regret it. And if you have any comments or questions, or simply want to find out more, then please leave me a comment below. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you like the video guys, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Cyclemate for sending me this bike seat to review. And thanks to my mate Mike for being my test rider. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.